is the piano tutorial of Now That We Are Married by Theophilus Sunday. Okay, so it was done in the key of C, but I'll be playing the key of F. Okay, so let's dive into today's lesson. Welcome back to Piano with Nick. Okay, in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, this helps you to play in other keys. Okay, so let's dive into this particular breakdown. Okay, so these are the things that we'll be looking at in this particular song. We are going to be looking at the flute side that they did in the song. Then we are going to be looking at the verse, the chorus, and I think they did an interlude also. Basically, we'll be looking at everything about this particular song. Okay. Hallelujah. 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 Forever, Lord. Hallelujah. This is the do chord, okay? Hallelujah. So right now I have the so. So this is the second chord that they did in the song. The first chord was the do. Alright. The second chord was the so. Then here, from here, we are moving to the sixth chord, which is the la. Alright. Then from here we are moving to the 4, the fa. Okay. Then we'll move to the re chord. Then back to the 1, the do. Okay, so one more time, let's go. Hallelujah. 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 Forever, Lord. So that is what they use for the verse, okay? So let's check the so that's what they use for the verse. So let's check the other part, okay? Part I don't actually know the lyrics, but I'm gonna try my best to sing it, okay? So till the heavens are pass away, you and I will still remain, sharing in eternal love forever. So let's check the breakdown, okay? They started off from the 1, basically different from the first progression slightly, okay? On the do, then so, you and I will still remain, then la, sharing in eternal love. Yeah, you wait, then mi fa, forever. Alright, but let's check the mi here, okay? The mi, they were doing overchords, okay? They had the 5 on the right, then the 3 on the left, okay, like this. So basically, I'll have the A on the left. Right hand is doing the G, C, E. Then to the 4. Alright. So the do, the so, the la, the mi, then fa. Alright. One more time. So let's check in content. To the heavens and pass away. The do chord. You and I will still remain. The so. Sharing in it, the la, then the mi, evermore. So the fa. Alright. So that's what they use for this one. Before we get to the flute part, let me show you the last part, okay? So the last part is the that part, okay? So I think that's the chorus also. So that part, you go from the 4, oh, then do, oh, so, re, mi, fa, do, then so, then re, then fa, then do, like that, the same thing. So let me show you the flute side that they did in the key of F. Alright, so let me do my quick setup fast. Just in case you are wondering what I'm about to have on the left hand side, I'll probably have one part, but it's your pick. You can also choose to do strings. So whichever way you wanna do this, you can basically do it. Okay, it's applicable. So, and the right hand side, I'll probably have a flute. All right. Let me do a quick setup. So basically, I don't want to be stretching because the other part of this particular keyboard is not showing. So I'm gonna shift the octave a little bit high so that I can play it here so that you can see what I'm doing. All right. So let's get down to it. All right. I think we are almost set up. We are almost done right now. So let's check it quick. So basically, what am I doing? Let's check the breakdown. Okay, so the left hand, I'm doing the one, the do, the so, then the re, then the fa, then back to the do. Basically, that's what I'm doing. Then the right hand, I'm doing this. So what is that? So I'm doing the mi, so, lati, okay? So you flip from the lati, okay? Then do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, so, do, re, do, mi. That's basically what I'm doing. When you accompany it by the left hand, it will be like this. So that's basically what they use for this particular song. Subscribe if you haven't yet. More videos like this is coming. Okay, bye.